so here's the feather. It's ready to get soldered. All these little balls on here you see are soldered. They're silver solder. I've placed them on here and saved you the headache of even watching me do that. I will heat this from the bottom. Let's see. There we go. I'll try to talk over my fan. I'm working out of my garage, so it's pretty hot in here. And I'll try to hold the camera steady while I solder with my left hand, which I'm not left-handed. So we'll see how this works. I'm actually going to turn this heat up. This is not the strength that I would like it. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow on it. It's a pretty big piece of silver. There we go. Now, the cool thing about silver is it lets you know whenever it starts getting up to the point of the solder flowing, and it'll start to change colors. So it's actually starting to turn the yellow, and then it starts to kind of go to rainbow color. I don't know if you can see it in the camera or not, because I'm having to keep my eye on the feather itself and not the camera. So we'll see how this goes. I also have, there it goes. It is flowing. I'm going to bring it up top here. And I'm gonna it's okay that it went down like that, that it actually bent. It's alright, because I will hammer it straight. Look at it, see if there's a good joint on it. It looks like I could get a little bit better on there, so I'm going to go ahead and clean it. I'm going to drop it in my acid bath real fast, so it'll get off any copper that's risen to the surface, because sterling silver does have small traces of copper in it to make it a little bit stronger. But that's what silver looks like whenever you apply a whole lot of heat to it.